Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. And this is our today's lunch, our today's school lunch. As you can see, everything is junk food because my Ammu was a little sick. So everything I took from outside today. Anyway, that was all for my lunch. And then I got ready for going to school, and as you can see, we're waiting for the lift, and just standing there, I was just putting on my mask, and then we went to school. After we went, my Ammu was preparing her breakfast. She just had a cup of tea with some biscuits. She did not have anything heavy for breakfast. Actually, my Ammu and my Abu, they don't take heavy breakfast. Like in their family, nobody takes. After she was done, she put let the birds. She opened the cage for the birds to let them have some freedom. If they want to come out, they will. We always do that. We give them some time every day. Not every day, if not possible. We give them at least 3 times a week or whenever we get time, and they will come out and play. And we also take them out for giving them a bath. As you can see right now, they're bathing, and here they are standing all wet, and now we have to take them outside in front of the sunlight to get them dry. And yeah, my birds love bathing a lot. After we are done with our birds, I think it was lunchtime. Of course, it was lunchtime. It had gotten so late after taking a bath, and the next thing we do is taking our lunch. So yeah, as I told you, my Ammu was sick, so that's why we ordered food from outside today. We got dal, we got a curry, a vegetable curry. We got chicken bhuna, and we got there was some side dish, and there was curry, cauliflower fish curry, and they also gave us rice and some salad. Yep. And then this was I don't know, maybe this was a type of fry only because it cannot be anything else. Yeah, that's all. Like, we have all the things here like this, and here was the cauliflower and fish. All the food is there. After that, I came home, and then I just slept. But then this was like the evening time, and my Bunu was like trying to solve the Rubik's cube. She knows how to solve it, and she had practice, and here, there you go, she solved it. She did it a lot of times, and that was the trophy for the competition that I got. Like, we won the competition, we were first runner up, so yeah, it was a trophy. And then the azan started. After that, my Ammu was making a bit of some food for eating, something she was making. First, we had ordered some chole, like this, chole, all like mixed up with potatoes and onions, a type of chole fry. And then we have some chopped onions and some chicken over there, and here there are some puffed rice. So basically, we're making a mixture with puffed rice, onions, chilies, and choles, and it's so delicious. I love this. So we are typically Indians, we don't use spoons or anything to use, just our hands. The best way to do this type of work is just using our hand, and we mix it and we're done. Yeah, now it's ready to eat and it's super delicious. We also had some pakode with it, like dal pakode, and there was some different more pakode, a lot of variety of pakode were there. Were there, and yeah, there was a lot we had. And then I was studying. All I did after that is just take my dinner and go to sleep. And that's all for today. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Wassalam.